So seek the forgiveness of Allah and get onto the same page, then ask Him what you want. Rabbi ghfirli, oh Allah, forgive me. That also shows me that the seeking of forgiveness is one of the most important supplications that you can ever make. What's the other most important one? There's another one that I always say. The most repeated dua in history, the most repeated supplication on earth is which one? See if you guys were listening to some of my previous talks. Say it loudly. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. That's the dua. Guide us to the straight path. Don't you say it every rak'ah? Guide us to the straight path. Guide us to the straight path. So those are two powerful things you as a believer needs to know. I ask Allah to guide me to the straight path, and I ask Him to give me forgiveness. Grant me forgiveness. I'm weak, I'm human. You know, we walk, we talk, we do things. We actually, even as we're walking in here, perhaps like with myself, I try to be conscious about what's going on, but sometimes you can't. Sometimes you're a human. And you know what? It happens that you're living in the real world. It's not an ideal place. Allah's created the ideal place as paradise, not as this world. So we say, oh Allah, forgive me for that which I know, that which I don't know, that which I perhaps didn't even consider was sinful against you, O Allah. Without your mercy, I am nothing.